Hi, my name is Derek Campana. I'm a certified orthotist and prosthetist and creator of the Caerus Stifle brace, also known as the CCL or cranial cruciate ligament device. It is a low temperature thermoplastic device that will replace any high temperature thermoplastic custom device on the market today. It is used in line with the Caerus slimline heater and heated up for further customization. Let's show you how to put it on. Now that we've successfully heated the Caerus Stifle brace, let's remove it from the slimline heater, like so, and apply it to the patient. The first thing you want to do is telescope the boas, remove the side Velcro enclosure, and bring this bottom part out. You want to line it up to the patient like so. This is the main suspension system. So when you're putting this on, you want to make sure that the point of the hock is just below the bottom part of the stifle brace. You're going to come around and line this up right to the upright. You will then push the boa in and close until you get adequate suspension. Once you feel that the brace is adequately suspended, you're going to move up to the femoral section. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to pull out the boa, pull out the reel, take off the side Velcro, and bring it right to the front. Please note this, for fitting purposes on this mold, we had to remove the removable liner. You're going to then bring the Velcro around to this side and proceed to tighten the boa enclosure on the back. Please also note that we do not want these uprights to stick off of the actual plastic shells. So when you're fitting this, you want to make sure you have the right length of uprights to fit the dog. Some of the things to look out for when fitting this brace is you want to make sure that you have full range of motion of this part of the leg below the tarsus. So you want to make sure he has 90 degrees of range of motion. Lift this part of the leg, make sure he's not inhibited in any way. Then you're going to move up and you're going to make sure that the knee is actually sticking out of this window. You want to get real good clearance up here. This is called the femoral arch of the brace. There's a bony prominence higher up on the knee, and you want to make sure this part of the brace is up higher than that. Those are a couple key things to look out for. And then you just want to make sure that there's no pinch points anywhere on the brace, in the front or the back. And like I said before, the most important thing is the suspension of the device and this part being just above the point of the hock. Those are a couple key points when applying the Caerus Stifle brace. Another thing to look for is the difference between the right and left stifle brace. You'll see that this side is lower than this side. The lowest side goes where the groin goes, and this is the outermost part of the dog's leg. You do not want the higher part to be in the groin, as that's going to affect the patient and cause pain and irritation. The three major uses for the Caerus Stifle brace system are postoperative management of the limb, contralateral limb management, and in lieu of surgery where there's a non-surgical candidate. This stifle brace can also be adjusted in a similar fashion that the Achilles brace system was adjusted. Let me introduce you to the fracture management system, also known as the wound care system. This is exactly the same as the bottom portion of the Caerus Stifle brace. The Caerus fracture management system is primarily used for mid-shaft fractures of the tibia, right around here. If there's a higher or lower fracture, I would consult the veterinarian and not use this type of system. It's mainly for a mid-shaft fracture. It's also used as a wound care system for chronic licked wounds or when a patient just keeps going after a surgical site. So those are the two main reasons why you would use this type of system. For more information about the Caerus Stifle brace and the Caerus fracture management system, please visit our website.